Hello guys, majority of you have been asking me how I do download or how I do record my YouTube videos so that they are very clear in high definition, and I've created a video to guide you on the same. So first of all, you need to visit. I'll use this software called Open Broadcaster software, or simply known as OBS. Can be used with Windows, Mac, and also Linux operating systems. So you get this interface that you are seeing after you visit obsproject.com. Then after that, you click on your version. For this case, mine is Windows. Then after you do that, the next window that appears will be the downloading window that appears as something like this, where you wait for your, according to the speed of the internet. Well, for the purpose of this video, I've already downloaded the OBS software. Then after that, you are going to get another interface here from the OBS site, where you are going to be told thank you for downloading OBS Studio, and of course some information there for you to read. Then from that step, I'm taking you very fast so that you can be able to get this software and be able to record nice looking videos for use in your broadcasting and streaming, and also for your recording. Then the third interface that you get, no, actually not the third interface, but after you have a download, you need to check your software on the download site, and you can see on my download folder that I already have my OBS there right on top, on just where we have, after today we have the installer downloaded. Then from there you need now to install, and to install you just need to double click on the software, and it will give you another interface where it will show you the progress of installation. So through this installation, you just relax and enjoy the installation. Then after installing the software, then it's good to give you a prompt at the end, where the prompt is going to be asking you whether you want to launch the OBS software, or you also want to view the release notes. It is important for you to be able to view the release notes, because it gives you a lot of information about the software. And of course, then you click on finish, and that moment then you'll have successfully installed OBS software. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to be able to use the basic setup so that you can be able to enjoy your OBS software and record your videos without hiccups. Thank you for watching, and keep watch for the next video.